Welcome to this video. In this session, I will show you how to use hybrid mapping for an inbound interface in SKYVVA. Hybrid mapping combines external mapping and internal mapping, allowing you to import message data into Salesforce, whether the fields match or don't match Salesforce fields. In this demo, I will use Postman as an example. However, the same inbound interface can receive data from any client, such as agent, data loader, or other external systems. By the end of this video, you will understand how hybrid mapping simplifies both simple and complex message data integrations. So, let's start. Go to the integration list. Create a new integration or an existing one. Click on your integration name. Create an inbound interface.
Click on the Interface tab.
Click the New Interface button. Enter the interface name. Select Source Name Contact. Select Status Deploy. Operation Upsert. Direction Inbound. Interface API version v3. Then click the Save button. Go to the Interface Detail page. Find the section Inbound Setup. Click on the Edit button. Enable external mapping and internal mapping. Hybrid mapping combines external mapping and internal mapping and lets the system handle both matching and non-matching fields in one interface. For Upsert, you must still specify a Salesforce external ID in the interface. In this example, I'm using the last name field as the Salesforce external ID. You can choose any other field as the external ID based on your requirements. Click the Save button. Find the Open Mapping button. And click on it. Map route to route. Map field to field. If the payload fields match Salesforce fields, the data is imported automatically with no transformation. If the payload fields do not match, define mapping rules and transformations to map them correctly. Why are we mapping the account ID field? Because we will import the contact record from the payload reference to the account. I use VLOOKUP as an example. Choose the function equal to VLOOKUP. Then click the Insert Select Function button. Enter the values in expression. Click on the Test Formula button to make sure the statement is correct syntax. The expression means we find the account by name and return the account ID to populate the account ID reference field. Click Apply button. Then click Save Mapping. Currently, we have an account named B2023 with no related contact records in Salesforce. Go to Postman to review the payload structure. In this example, call the REST API with SKYVVA/integrate API to push data in Salesforce from the Postman. For more details, you can check in the SKYVVA channel how to call REST API with SKYVVA/integrate API to post subject to target org. We use the integrate_v4_JSON request as an example to import data into Salesforce. Here, the JSON payload is flat and contains only the contact object. Most fields and the structure match Salesforce, except for one field related to the account object. Next, click the Send button. When SKYVVA returns a 200 OK, the inbound message is received and processed successfully. Go to the Integration Detail page. Click on the Message Monitor tab. Scroll down and click the Apply Filter button to verify the message status. The message is complete and the record has been created. Click to view data in Salesforce. Now, we have a contact record related to the account named B2023 after importing the payload from the Postman. Click to view the account B2023. Under the Related tab, you can see the contact associated with this account. Hybrid mapping supports both matching and non-matching fields. Matching fields, no mapping needed. Non-matching fields use iStructure and mapping rules. External ID is required for upsert. One interface handles simple and complex scenarios. Easy maintenance payload or message data structure can change. No need to remap Salesforce fields. Any client can efficiently send data to Salesforce using this feature.